Re tout le monde. J'allais faire mon intro. Alors, pour vous, on dirait pas comme ça, mais la partie que vous avez vue juste avant, je l'ai tournée hier. Du coup, bon, bah voilà, quoi. On est parti.
I heard your allies have a big idea for the lead up to Survivor
Tes
Series.
alliés, hein. C'est officiellement le dernier combat
They do.
avec
I'll
Thibaut.
have them stop by your
J'imagine
office to
qu'après,
notify
il y a
I look forward to the occasion.
Anis à faire. Enfin, le combat avec Anis, du coup.
Have you two come for a friendly chat, or is this some sort of an ambush?
With everything going on, you think we've got time for either? We want a shot at the Unity titles.
You two? Interesting. Not the combination I would have expected. How about I schedule a warm-up match, just to see how this all works?
No. The WWE brass let this mutiny thing get out of hand, and now it's on us to fix their mess. We need to show them how it's done. Those titles, we're taking them back before Survivor Series. Yeet.
Fair enough. I should warn you though, Punk is not eager to hand out Unity title shots, especially to a team from WWE.
We figured. What's it gonna take?
The word is that the only way for a team from our side to earn a shot at the Unity Championships is in a four-way tornado tag match at NXT Mutiny. If you want those titles before Survivor Series, you'll have to run through their best teams.
Line them up, Boost. We'll clear that path and claim that gold. No doubt.
Okay. If you want me to make arrangements, I will. But you'll be walking into the Lion's Den.
Sounds like a place for us to make a proper statement.
Set it up.
Tout le monde. Faut savoir que j'ai toujours pas tourné le mode showcase. Hein. Et normalement il doit sortir dans 2 heures à peu près. Donc bon, un peu tout chose, hein. Tout chose, hein. Ouais bon c'est bon, les autres héros on va les passer maintenant. C'est bon, on a vu à peu près tout le monde qu'il y avait là. Roxanne Perez. Merde. C'est bon, là, j'ai envie de finir, là. Et c'est Sean Spears, non? What? Gargano et sa femme. Je sais plus comment elle s'appelle. Candice Ray. Genre, il y a encore une autre équipe, là? Shayna Baszler et qui? Attends. Charlie Dempsey.
The WWE Universe more than ready to see this one start.
Oh là 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 là, ça va être une guerre, les mecs, ça va être une guerre, cette histoire. Et non pas une galère. Bon, je me contente. Oh purée, c'est... Ah ouais.
Will Jay take advantage?
Right into the pin.
Then meanwhile, Spears.
Oh, nasty left hook.
You have to admit, that was a smart bit of offense, cutting their opponent down to size like that.
Just showing off at this point. Showing
The shoulders are down.
Alors, attendez. Option cible. Voilà.
And she stops the count.
Oh, and a rear super kick. From behind, nasty. The amount of force behind that is enough to knock a normal person out.
Et pouf.
Eat defeat. She turns it around with the reversal. Wicked forearm. Did you hear that thud?
Evades the attack. Counter.
Après, alors...
Neither superstar get.
Bien là.
Becky.
Man, Handle Slam.
Inspiring. She's going in for the pin. Now Becky Lynch. He makes the
Oh!
Better late than never. Nice head scissors takedown.
It knew what was coming there.
Paraît que t'aimes bien péter les bras, bah tu vas te repéter les bras toi aussi.
Wrist lock up to the top rope. Hurricane Rana.
Putain, mais là il y a trop de monde en fait, on va rien pouvoir faire.
Wait a minute, setting in.
En sachant que je suis toujours un légendaire, alors bon...
Oh, the heel hooks. Trying to break out of this grip and is able to do it. Escapes the hold before irreparable damage is done.
Wesh.
From the top.
Mais calmez-vous!
Is victory close? This could be it. And he stops the count. Then now to Gargano. Got the cover. Is it enough to close this out? Intercepts the pin attempt.
Toi tu m'attaques et tu te barres, enfoiré.
There's a crucifix, nicely done.
Bam! Turns that in his favor.
Devastating poison Rana.
Nice hip toss. Right into a drop. Wrestling forced to break the hold now, thanks to that timely interference. Shayna's down. Could this be the end? He breaks the pin. And meanwhile, Gargano.
Ah ouais.
And quickly now, shoulders down.
Ah oui, non, c'est bon en
For
fait.
the win.
We are this far into the match. Where is this energy coming from?
Oh, God.
Ooh, well measured.
Oh, the death lock applied. Submission move. Nowhere to go. And down for the count. And a kick out at only one.
Wow, I thought this was over.
Oh, flown over a Russian leg sweep.
And then quickly the cover.
Vous n'avez pas honte?
Sky high monkey flip.
Rolling into a monkey flip.
Cover, cover. This could be it. She pops the shoulder up and one.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup.
Boom.
Sean Spears, viens là.
Full Nelson slid in by
Sean.
Dempsey.
Dragon suplex
Oh,
by
Spears.
Dempsey. There might be nothing left in Johnny.
But now LeRae.
Ah ouais, fallait le calmer aussi lui, hein. Mais non mais, purée, mais j'ai dit Emmanuel, ça veut dire que tu changes pas? Quand je dis de cibler quelqu'un, tu changes pas?
Oh God, face first.
J'ai pris quoi là? Wow, 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 wow.
Gargano with a
The Gargano.
Allez l'arrêter, non? Eh oh!
to escape and he gets out of the hole, but some damage was certainly done there. Oh,
Oh man.
he goes for the pin.
Could this be it?
Allô?
Digging deep
Bien
for
joué.
a kick out.
He just won't give up.
Sean Spears hoisting them up. Looking for the end. Ooh.
Mais pourquoi tu t'acharnes sur moi?
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully to
Maybe not, maybe not. Back to Gargano.
ooh.
Donc toi,
He's starting to look battered.
t'es sérieuse?
And what a reversal from Jey Uso. Looking for a belly-to-back suplex. Back suplex into... Roxanne Perez with Pop Rocks.
Non mais lui, il me casse les couilles, hein.
Target acquired. This only ends one way. Into a regal play. Karafuda clutch. This one's gonna be over soon. Karafuda.
Non, arrête, arrête, arrête!
This one's over. This is over. Tap out time.
And this is gonna come.
And she lets go of the hold. Maybe she didn't like the leverage or grip she had on that submission, Cole. Neck breaker. That's it. Charlie looking to end this now. Then we see Gargano. Spear!
That
Merci.
would ground Dempsey for good. Going for the win, not letting up. And his head was once again the target. Time for him to defend. Lynch has got it. Arm is trapped.
Ah.
A running Hurricane Rana. Oof, face stop. Oh, watch this, fellas. Beautiful takedown. Slides right in.
Bon, après, t'as le droit de te relever.
She's in trouble. She breaks the hold. Now look at Becky.
Raquel's got it. She's got her down for the count. She might end it here.
And wait a second.
Allô?
Interesting turn of events here. She lets it go.
Putain, vous vous foutez de ma gueule.
Maybe she's looking to do even more damage. Get some extra insurance here. Ah, look at this.
Look from behind. Prying open the
Merci.
hands, and a shot to the back of the neck.
And some late game offense from the Poison Pixie.
Candace somehow within reach of the W despite sustaining massive amounts of punishment.
Candice LeRae looking to cinch it in. Here it comes.
Locked in.
And writhing in pain, trying to find an escape.
Tapping out.
Non, mais j'allais taper! J'allais venir le taper! Bon, bah, on recommence.
And she's fine taking this to the outside.
Vas-y, mets-le à terre et tu te prends un... Voilà.
Becky in full control.
Ça que je voulais.
Manhandle slam.
Is it the finishing touch Lynch needs? 2.
Enfin!
A tag match.
La ruse, les gars, la ruse.
The team up. Becky Lynch and Jay.
Ouh, ça...
These two just defy the...
Coup. Ah, félicitations à Becky et Jey Uso pour cette belle victoire. Ils méritent peut-être d'affronter nos champions finalement. On va même le faire sur SmackDown pour qu'ils ne viennent pas pleurer quand on les aura battus. Ça fait trop longtemps que vous vous tapez sur les nerfs de Mutiny. Le moment est venu d'apprendre où est votre place. On va faire de SmackDown une arène de Mutiny. Peu importe où nous sommes. C'est notre ring. Non, non, non. Let's go Becky et Jay.
Did you see those social media posts?
Tu as vu ces messages sur les réseaux? Ils essaient de passer pour des durs, mais on les fait paniquer.
That's exactly
C'est exactement ce qui m'a inquiété.
You think
Tu crois que Punk manigance quelque chose? C'est sûrement le cas, mais je déjoue tous les pronostics depuis que j'ai enfilé mes bottes. Il n'est qu'un autre chapitre de mon histoire.
Yeet. Let
Mais
him
oui,
scheme.
laisse-le faire ses petites manigances. Ce soir, on va faire ce que les cols blancs sont incapables de faire et reprendre ces titres à Mutiny.
Don't start doubting us now.
C'est pas le moment de commencer à douter de nous.
Never.
Jamais.
I've seen
J'ai vu de quoi vous étiez capables tous les deux. Dès que tu as dit que tu étais prête à te battre à nos côtés, il n'y avait pas d'autre choix possible. Mais on a tous déjà eu des affaires on a tous déjà eu affaire au sale coup de Punk par le passé. Et j'ai un mauvais pressentiment.
You think there was something
Tu
more
crois qu'ils avaient quelque chose derrière la tête quand ils disaient qu'ils allaient faire de SmackDown une arène de Mutiny? Peut-être, mais ils ne savent pas qu'on est ensemble. Vous deux, concentrez-vous sur Bayley et Lexi King. Nous allons patrouiller dans l'arène pour empêcher toute intervention de Mutiny.
Good. Keep the place clean
Bien,
so we can
nettoyez
practice the
bien l'endroit pour qu'on puisse serpiller le ring. Je savais pas que la serpillière c'était devenu un verbe. Avec leur visage. Normalement on dit nettoyer le ring avec leur visage, non? Serpiller, c'est bizarre. Quel duo va rester uni et quel duo va se séparer? Becky Lynch et Jey Uso contre Bayley et Lexi King à SmackDown. Unité ou division?
It looks like the rumors are true. Mutiny is planning an attack.
But they didn't plan for this.
Tony
Commence
D'Angelo
direct.
surely expected
Ah oui,
to
d'accord.
at least make it into the arena before the fighting started.
Donc là, faut juste pas perdre de temps.
D'Angelo's lucky he made it into the building.
He's going to be lucky to make it out of the building, Saxton. That right there is why you've got to keep your head on a swivel in a situation like this.
Mais purée, mais...
Never being in a situation.
Attends, je sais plus, du coup, c'est Ringus, Tir et Smoky.
This is not what you're for.
This is not going to be good. We know what comes next. Back kick. It's only a complete outsource here. From out of nowhere. RKO. And after Superstars can't be contained, someone's seriously going to get hurt here.
J'attends.
He is determined to fight out his predicament.
Up
Eh
and
ben.
oh, knee right to the spine.
Il a frappé. J'ai écouté son méchant.
Or you take the initiative and go somewhere else through a window.
Je sais plus c'était quoi les coups que j'ai mis pour faire l'extérieur.
Boom. Right that one. Boom, way back.
Par contre, il est malicieux, hein.
Elbow. Defend that. Oh my gosh, way back.
Cars, ambulances, all hands on weaponry. We might be at the point of no return here.
Non, non, non.
Using the elbow to escape the attack.
Je sais plus.
And Fury finds his mark.
Smart strategy, attack the knee.
Oh, kick
Oh.
to the side of the face. Saxton, I hope your insurance is paying up.
Human bodies.
From out of nowhere. RKO.
Là, voilà, petit gars.
Oh no, getting dragged to the edge of the ambulance.
Bang! Door right off the face.
Attendez.
Trying to make his way
Pas
atop
mal
the ambulance.
sauter de là-haut par hasard.
Dangerous position to be in.
He's gotten up.
Oh my goodness, not from up.
Oh non!
But it looks like this brawl's over now.
Now, can we get some help back there?
On continue, bien sûr. Pourquoi il y a eu un bruit de coup de chaise, genre Rodman et Jey Uso, c'est bon, on connaît. Bayley et Lexi King, c'est bon, on connaît, on a déjà vu. NXT, Unity. Oh, attendez.
The following is a intergender tag team match and is for the NXT Unity Tag Team Championship. Introducing the challengers, the team of Jey Uso and
Mes pecs, ils sont
Becky
chauds, frère.
Lynch. And their opponents, the team of Lexis King and Bayley.
There you see
C'est
what's
parti
at
pour leur
stake.
péter leur
The
bouche.
NXT
Attends,
This match
il va
is
commencer
about
avec
more than just the
la
Unity
bouche en moins
title.
déjà.
It's about gaining momentum heading into the biggest showdown for control of WWE.
Absolutely, Saxton. A win here could demoralize
Mais
the
non!
opposition and give
Attends. J'en ai marre. Puis on peut même pas changer ça dans les paramètres. Ou alors je sais pas, j'ai pas trouvé. Dites-moi dans les commentaires parce que vraiment ça
one of
commence à
these
être
teams
long.
a massive boost heading into Survivor
Mais
Series. Both teams know what's at stake and look to walk out
Mais-
of here with the Unity titles and so much more.
And Jay saw it coming.
And another big right. Wards that off. What a response.
And all that's left is one thing, one finishing touch. Punch to the stomach and stopped in their tracks. Oh, man, what a hit. Uh-oh.
aïe, aïe, aïe.
Turns it around.
Oh, shocking inside cradle. Small package, this could be it.
The
D'ailleurs, on
challenger
parle,
kicks out
enfin
after
là,
one.
comme on est avec Jey Uso, félicitations à lui pour le titre pas lourd. C'était sûr qu'on allait pas être
Tony
tranquille.
D'Angelo. After what happened backstage,
Eh ouais, mais
I don't think
non,
he's
du
making
coup.
it out of here.
Well, Punk expected reinforcements, but the Unity champions are on their own tonight. Back elbow completely
Oh, c'est
cuts the
dommage. Hein.
back and forth, counter after counter. Strong right forearm.
Kick gets caught.
Uh-oh. He
Alors
finds
juste
the
la dernière
counter
fois
for
que ça,
Jay.
quand ça a fait ça, on se faisait trahir quand même. Par CM Punk.
Look at this. Snap suplex. He makes the tag here.
Good golly, Miss Molly. at Bailey, Thesz press, and Bailey hammering away. Practically never-ending blows coming at full force here.
Ah ouais, là, c'est chaud.
Boom! Drops the hammer right on the lower back. Good grief! That's a chop that'll wake you up. And retaliates with a counter.
Non mais ça y est aussi.
Catches the kick. Caught. Uh-oh. Dragon screw. Tagged in here.
Et bah alors. Pourquoi je suis trop gentil? Voilà en fait, c'est ça la question. Pourquoi je suis trop gentil?
Oh my gosh.
Bon, on va le faire.
She whips Bailey into the corner. And a massive clothesline. Bailey is down. We've seen this before. A massive whirlwind splash.
And King can't do anything about it.
This will do it. Chad Patton has stopped counting.
Maybe he forgot what number comes next.
Looks like they're going to remind him. Wait, Bailey with the roll-up. It's over.
Chad Patton knew how to count that time.
That was a fast count. What the heck is going on here? Chad Patton is running away with Mutiny before anyone else can argue. This is a new low. Mutiny has infiltrated the referees. Are we really surprised at this point when it comes to what Mutiny will do? Hold on, it looks like Lexis King got left behind. Yeah, and he's just realizing that right now.
Doesn't look like Lexis King's going anywhere.
Are these four superstars our team for Survivor Series? We may have lost this one, but now Lexis King is going to pay. And the other members of Mutiny are letting it happen.
No honor among thieves.
This could be a preview of Survivor Series.
This doesn't look good for King.
No, it does not.
Triple Powerball.
What a chaotic SmackDown. A longtime WWE official has joined Mutiny.
But Team WWE answered with four unstoppable superstars.
Ah, moi aussi là je commence à avoir hâte là. Mais attendez, mais du côté des filles, l'équipe. Ouais. Après le match pour le titre Unity d'hier soir, l'arbitre Chad Patton ne sera plus associé à Raw ni à SmackDown. La WWE garantira l'équité au Survivor Series quand la team WWE c'est bon, composé de Jey Uso, Becky Lynch, Anaïs et Thibaut viendra chercher les justices contre Mutiny. C'est vrai que les titres Unity seront en jeu dans le dernier match de la série au meilleur des trois. Si la série se prolonge jusqu'à un troisième match. WWE, vous avez essayé de cacher votre équipe pour les Survivor Series, mais ça n'a pas marché. Comme toujours, nous avions une longueur d'avance. Et puis Lexi ne sera pas là. Je prendrai sa place dans le match pour le titre Unity. Et je serai même pas... Et je ne sais même pas si un troisième match sera nécessaire. Ça m'étonnerait. Tu as raison, Punk. On n'aura pas besoin de ce troisième match. Parce que la team WWE va faire mordre la poussière à Mutiny. 2-0. La team 1 va éclater Mutiny. 100% je crois. Mutiny ne résistera pas à la force de la WWE au Survivor Series. La team 1 aura le dernier mot contre ces guignols de Mutiny. Un arbitre véreux. Merde, j'ai pas besoin de lire en fait.
It's lucky for us Survivor Series isn't a limbo contest. At least we laid out Lexus.
Which Punk is using as an excuse to step in at Survivor Series. Feels like a setup, another one of his ploys. Let's make sure we're ready.
Well, we could start by telling the GMs to make the match no DQ.
I don't like that.
Well, We've got one episode of SmackDown before Survivor Series. Let's go out to the ring and deliver a message to Mutiny that they can't ignore.
And even though the entire team will be out there, let's make sure Punk knows the message is coming from the two of us.
Then we should lean into our personalities. Use what we do best.
On joue la carte de la manipulation ou du cosplay. Manipulation ou cosplay?
Nothing annoys a tough guy more than having a laugh at his expense. I think it's time for some classic cosplay.
I've always thought you'd make a great Bailey, and I think I could be a convincing Punk.
Agreed. Let's gather the troops and the sewing machines.
Continue l'histoire. Scoop. La carte de match de Survivor Series a été officiellement annoncée. Match 1, Becky Lynch contre Io Sky. Match 2, Jey Uso contre Kevin Owens. Match 3, si nécessaire, Thibaut et Anis contre Bayley et CM Punk. Ça faisait longtemps qu'on attendait ça. Le corps qui remportera notre série au meilleur des trois ne se contentera pas de la victoire. Il prendra également le contrôle de WWE. Écrivons une page de l'histoire au Survivor Series. WWE contre Mutiny. Contrôler le ring. Mais je pensais que genre... c'était un match genre... un match à élimination, tu vois. Et qu'on a dû... Enfin, genre, choisir notre équipe et tout.
Hold on. That's not Mutiny making their way to the ring, but it sure looks like it. Someone has definitely been studying their opponents.
Look out. I think CM Punk just got hurt.
You'd think we were transported to NXT.
Look at KO. He looks really focused and ready to go.
The swagger, the intensity, it's spot on. And Io Sky looks like she's had a few too many. They say laughter is the best medicine, and this might just be the prescription WWE needed tonight.
Mutiny are going to need prescriptions after these four are done with them at Survivor Series.
You have to believe Mutiny is paying close attention right now.
I assume everyone's laser focused as we head into Survivor Series.
Let's hear what Team WWE has to say.
Your savior is here. I am CM Punk, and I have come to rescue WWE and revolutionize this entire sport so that I can benefit.
And me too, right?
We'll see, Bailey.
You're the boss. Watching you orchestrate all these double crosses is so reassuring for your second in command.
That's the kind of loyalty that keeps us on top.
I thought it was all the cheating.
CM Punk has heard enough.
I guess imitation is the highest form of flattery. Or maybe this is all just hero worship. But while you're busy out there clowning around, Mutiny is continuing our takeover. And after Survivor Series, our dominance will be undeniable.
Which one is the real Punk? What Midwestern city are you from? Only the real CM Punk would know that. It's not like he constantly talks about it and has made it the cornerstone of his oh-so-authentic, down-to-earth, blue-collar personality.
Bailey, ding dong, hello. It's the Windy City, which is perfect because I'm full of hot air.
You're so intent on entertaining everyone, aren't you? Well, if it's a show you want, I'm more than happy to oblige. Because as it turns out, you're not the only ones in SmackDown tonight wearing Mutiny colors. And trust me, the others are not playing dress up.
What?
The real Mutiny is here.
Oula, oula, oula. Ah oui, là ça fait...
Apparently we can't. It looks like we're about to have a
Ça fait du
4-on-4
gros
match
morceau là un
over
peu
on
quand même.
SmackDown after this break. Tensions are at an all-time
Voilà.
high here with Survivor Series on the horizon. And this impromptu
Bon.
eight-man tag looks to be the final.
Vous avez bien vu que là, il y a un petit souci quand même, hein.
Statement.
Team WWE needs to make this count, Michael. This is their chance to send a strong message to Mutiny and everyone else watching.
No, it's not about messages, Saxon. This is about momentum. No one wants to go into Survivor Series licking their wounds.
Bon, déjà, j'ai fait un moins bien départ que tout à l'heure. C'est pas fou, ça.
Drops the elbow.
Par contre, les...
Look at this.
Ouais, c'est bon aussi.
It's hard to watch, too. Uh-oh, look out. Double leg drop.
Mais dégage l'arbitre.
Sent right into the corner.
Oh, man! Intercepted the attack with a kick to the face.
Go behind. Breaker. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
He goes for the quick pin attempt. He throws his shoulder up before two.
Yeah, seemed to be just testing the waters a bit there. There's a wheelbarrow. Boom, DDT.
Et...
Oh, God.
Bon.
Ooh, well-planted knee. Ouch. Oh, my God. The moonsault. Oh, look at the uppercut and the elbows, and it's not over.
Tiger fake kick.
Oh, crossbody wipes them out.
She tags her partner in.
And he makes the tag.
Watch out, coming in hot. Lifted way up.
Oh, atomic drop. Oh, ouch.
Ça me plaît pas trop, au fait, de taper une meuf avec un gars.
The man connects.
Whoa, rolling neck.
J'arrive à être enrhumé quand il fait chaud, moi. Putain, je suis fort.
Snap. Brutal.
Fort ou con,
And Perez saw that coming.
ça dépend.
Calculating the next move here.
Face first.
Flapjack. Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
Ooh.
Oh,
Gosh.
Kick to the back.
Ah non.
Placing her against the turnbuckle. Man, what timing on that counter.
chess match of counters and reversals happening here.
Uh-oh, something big is coming.
Oh, Thesz press. Furious punches unloading.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like
Sinon,
that.
les contres, ça se passe comment dans le jeu? Parce que...
Oh, kick right to the spine.
She's had a lot thrown her way already.
Perez fought tough on that one.
And here we go now. Elbow drop.
Becky moves out of the way. Running leg drop. She tags her partner into the action.
Bang!
Big elbow.
Mieux reculer pour prendre du recul. Enfin, reculer pour mieux attaquer plutôt.
Rolling elbow.
Par contre, on va décaler de ce coin-là parce que je me sens pas bien ici. On va voir là-bas, toi.
Put into the corner. What could be next?
And the spear. Boom.
Oh man.
Toi, tu dégages. Toi, tu dégages.
Trick's having trouble
Et toi, tu
managing
dégages.
this onslaught.
Williams having trouble getting his bearings.
Bon, bah tant pis.
And she quickly turned that around.
impressive.
Non.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Kick to the knee. La Maestro cradle.
C'est magistral ça, je reconnais.
She's quick to get her
Mais pourquoi ils
shoulder
viennent
up.
pas?
Not a very effective pin attempt.
What's she thinking here?
Ah, float over Russian leg sweep.
Comme gros, elle adore son Shinlock Sweep là. Hein.
Straight punch.
Jarring.
Non. Ah mais en fait j'ai un finisher.
From out of nowhere.
RKO! That could be curtains for Roxanne.
Meanwhile, we see Breaker
A pin! We have a pin!
looking for the pin. Kicks out before the 2
Merde.
count.
She just will not give up, Cole.
In comes Becky Lynch.
Putain, j'ai envie de lui mettre un petit coup là avant de partir avec Anaïs.
The man connects.
Mais attends, le Cora Jade il est pas encore venu là.
Ooh!
C'est le Tafiat. Toi tu dégages aussi. Et ça, toi tu dégages aussi.
Becky Lynch on the move.
Uh-oh. And Lynch was scouted there.
Mais j'étais à 15 km d'elle, comment elle peut me toucher?
Round and round we go. Tilt-a-whirl head scissors.
Oh, the reversal by Becky Lynch. Uh-oh.
Bah non, bien sûr qu'elle me contre.
Effective arm drag.
Taking even more damage. She can't be thinking clearly right now.
I think we can consider this the beginning of the end, gentlemen.
This might be the beginning of the end. Oh, manhandle slam. Will that sew this up for Becky?
Jure, il y a personne. Ah si, il y a Trick Williams qui est venu, mais un peu en retard, je crois.
Great team.
Here are your winners.
Live. Hey, Uso and Becky Lynch.
Team WWE is already running on all cylinders. What a win against Mutiny here tonight.
They certainly look ready for Survivor Series, and as
Quand même, hein. Allez. Quoi, c'est tout? Suivez-nous ce soir pour les Survivor Series, les plus importants depuis les débuts de The Rock. Sans vouloir te vexer, je pense que c'est un peu plus important, The Rock. Ils servent des cocktails de crevettes dans la salle de conférence. Vous ne voyez même pas l'avenir qui se dessine juste devant vous. La veille, WWE prend fin ce soir. The Rock ne va pas choisir de camp. Phil, mais Anaïs et Thibaut ne vont pas se laisser faire dans le main event. On n'aura jamais le main event si Io Sky et KO gagnent leur match. Même s'ils y arrivent, vous avez choisi d'en faire un match sans disqualification. Bande de débiles. WWE n'a aucune chance. Ouais, c'est bon, on a compris. Et Anaïs. Bon bah tant pis.
Here we are. The future of WWE rests entirely on our shoulders.
No pressure, though.
After we exposed Mutiny for the clowns they are, I'm pretty sure they're walking into Survivor Series with their eyes way off the prize. We got them.
Now, we just have to keep them off balance.
You have something in mind?
Don't forget we got my brother and my cousin too. I always love taking it to KO. But we hit Jimmy or Roman's music, KO won't know what to do.
Partons sur Roman. Optons pour Jimmy. En vrai, Roman l'a rendu tellement fou dans leur rivalité au début de son règne. Ah, Roman. Autant partir sur
We've got
Roman.
the head of the table at our disposal. Jay, you did the heavy lifting getting us here. But we've got a WMD in our arsenal. I say we use it.
The time for talk is over. Let's get out there and start the series with a win.
Better yet, let's make it 2 wins. I don't think we're ever going to get to that third and final Unity title match, no matter what Mutiny tries to pull.
Speaking of their shenanigans, I've heard from Dakota Kai. Damage Control definitely has something in the works for the EO match. She's not sure what.
I'll watch your 6. we can't trust anyone.
So long as we have this kind of faith in each other, I know I'm going to walk out of Survivor Series on the winning side.
It's the first line of defense.
Demande,
for team.
on connaît. Hein. Ça y est, frère. Ça y est, frère. Un coin là. C'est Ios, hein. Io Sky. Pourquoi on dirait que c'est une petite salle, genre?
The most important Survivor Series in WWE history is underway, and Io Sky looks ready.
Io is ready, but the woman
On va
fighting
faire
for
avec 5
WWE
attaques
earned
légères
the
debout.
spot by taking
Ok.
the fight to Mutiny, and that's not going to change tonight.
I hope you're right, Saxton. If WWE starts best of 3 series with a loss, we might never recover.
Illegal in many sports, but that was used effectively in there.
Ok, ensuite, mener la pression sur Io Sky et Mutiny.
Looks like Io is wavering a bit now.
She knew what she was in for tonight. She came prepared for this.
This is how you punish your opponent. Io's been on the receiving end for a bit now.
Io trying to
La
withstand
contre pareil.
the surge.
Ah non. Ah, là, peut contrer.
By Sky.
Vas-y.
Io managing to get some control back now.
Et du coup, sur l'attaque là, de Becky Lynch, il y a 3 occasions de contrer quand même. Hein. Je vais y retourner, hein, je m'en fiche. Hein.
Look at this. Leg drops, not finished yet.
Ah, bon, j'y retournerai plus par contre.
Massive double foot stomp.
Trop tôt.
Oh, that got turned around on Sky.
Hé, hé, hé.
Ooh, she
Elle
puts
coupe
the
trop
brakes on
facilement,
that.
c'est abusé.
Being driven to the ropes here. Good display of power.
Tiens.
Oh my God.
Becky will slow her opponent with a kick to the gut.
C'est juste pour lui
Now,
mettre la
gonna
pression,
turn
t'inquiète.
things here.
And driving them down.
Down for the pin. No idea what she's doing.
Yeah, what's the strategy here?
And an elbow.
Ensuite, exécuter une saisie sur Io sur le ring.
Setting
Ça va comme ça?
Io up for a suplex here.
Shades of Eddie Guerrero.
Hold on. Io's got backup.
But Team WWE was ready.
Wait a second.
Oula.
Asuka with the poison mist.
Where did she come from?
Io with a moonsault from out of nowhere.
The genius of the sky had a genius plan.
And
Ok.
that'll do it.
Ok,
Mutiny has
d'accord.
drawn first blood here at Survivor Series, and WWE is on its heels, down 1-0.
You have to wonder if we're even going to see a Unity title match tonight in that third and final contest. Kevin Owens could make this a series sweep of Team WWE.
This night could go from bad to worse.
Alors, le règne de terreur de Damage Control continue. Elles ont aidé Io Sky à battre Becky Lynch et la WWE est maintenant menée 0-1 au Survivor Series. C'était uniquement la première surprise de la soirée. Encore une victoire et Mutiny prendra le contrôle total. Bon,
How's she doing after that missed attack from Asuka?
They're flushing her eyes out in the trainer's room. I think she's angrier than she is hurt. But now we're playing from behind.
It's our own damn fault. How didn't we see Asuka coming?
Overconfidence. We were looking one way and they slipped the knife right in our backs. We're gonna be ready for them this time.
They've used crooked refs, blindside attacks, and chances are that's going to be the theme of the night. How do we hold them off?
You two head to Gorilla and make sure we don't see a repeat of Kyrie and Bailey's interference.
What are you going to do?
Collect our mad-as-hell partner from the trainer's room. We'll try to stop Mutiny from coming through the crowd.
That sounds like a plan.
When we were kids playing with that old toy WWE ring, you ever imagine that we'd be the last line of defense protecting WWE's future?
As a matter of fact, yeah. Tonight is what I've been imagining for a very long time.
Let's go tie this thing up.
The man is walking into a
Oh.
must-win situation.
Quoi? Ah, mais non, mais c'est juste pour troll KO. Il est pas là. Attendez, non, il est pas là. Hein. Pardon? 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 Mais moi je pensais que ça allait être genre Jey Uso contre Kevin Owens et qu'on allait juste utiliser la musique de Roman Reigns pour déstabiliser Kevin Owens. Mais je pensais pas qu'on allait utiliser.
Kevin Owens, Survivor Series is over, and the entire future of WWE will rest in the hands of CM Punk and his goons.
That's not going to happen, Byron. Nobody on Team WWE is going to let Mutiny flush over 60 years of history down the drain.
I don't know how you're less cynical
Bah du coup
than
j'ai pas
I am
compris
after
vraiment
everything
ce qu'ils ont
you've
dit
seen,
tout à l'heure du
We
coup.
lost the first match in this series, and I just know Punk and his accomplices have more up their sleeves.
Je vais revoir ça au montage de toute façon.
Here we go
hein.
now. Drops the elbow.
Trop tôt. Oh.
Splash. That's like an SUV falling on you.
Oof.
No! What a
Mais
way
il a
to
qu'un
get
seul
out of that one.
coup, j'ai l'impression, pour partir en combo lui.
He saw it coming from Owens.
Et me contre tout en plus.
To reverse it.
Punches to the ear? How are they gonna hear after this match?
I think rage took over in that moment. Nothing but blind rage. And a series of vicious stomps.
You have to imagine the disdain it takes to repeatedly stomp someone like that.
Non mais il me contre vraiment tout, cet enfoiré, c'est abusé.
The pin. This might do it.
Oh my, how
Ah non, abuse pas
kick
non
out
plus.
of that. Keeping a loss at bay for now.
And they just busted out an impactful maneuver.
Encore trop tôt, mais jamais le timing pour les attaques comme ça.
That has to take all the breath out of you.
That hit connects from Roman Reigns.
Oh, that is gonna leave a mark.
Oh, stomp right to the hand.
That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
He's certainly feeling that attack.
Yeah, Reigns came looking to prove his dominance, and he's doing just that right now.
Just going all out with every blow. Ah, what a
Ah, je crois savoir ce qui va se passer. Je parie qu'il va y avoir Braun Breaker qui va arriver. Ou un truc comme ça.
Just
À l'extérieur, c'est obligé.
to the arena floor. Look at the height and completely missed the mark.
The high risk just resulted in a big splat.
He took a vicious hit there.
Oh gosh, I hope we've got medical staff standing by.
Yeah, it sure looks like we'll need him.
Goodness gracious.
And if the first stomp doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
No! Look out below! Absolutely reckless abandon, and it paid off.
Adrenaline's at a peak right now.
C'est abusé. Il me contre vraiment
Going
tout.
back to Owens' corner.
Owens showing it's not time for lying down, it's time for
Par contre, c'est lui qui est en son et pas moi.
Owens
Moi, ça me va.
sizing him up from the top. From the top. Ah, taking a flight to nowhere.
Went for the high risk towards the outside, but it ended up being
Quoi
in
maintenant?
vain.
Owens running into some trouble.
Yeah, Roman has KO right where he wants him now.
Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat.
Oh, look at this. What a headbutt.
Battez Kevin Owens.
Oh,
Ok.
man, he is more than... Reigns sizing up the
Ouh,
top.
wow.
Spear! Wow, Reigns nailed it. Here it is.
1,
Now the pin.
2.
He kicked out at 2.
Owens showing that he didn't come here to be beat. He's here for a fight.
And
it's not often we see the tribal chief held up at the 1-yard line. You have to think Roman will want to dial up that maneuver one more time.
From the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me?
Momentum has pivoted towards Roman.
Reigns is making an opportunity for himself.
And you can see that.
Ah ouais, non, en fait, je sais. Bon,
Yeah, he's on his back foot now. I don't see things
j'ai
turning
vu
around in his favor.
définitivement qu'il y a un match entre Thibaut Yannis contre CM Punk et Bayley, je crois. Je crois que c'est ça le combat. Enfin, la troisième manche, en gros.
Scouted it and fired back with a punch straight to the face.
Uh-oh. Oof. Point of the elbow counters that.
That'll turn your lights out.
Et tu reviens par là, oui.
Clubbing forearm. Foot just stomping down. Taking things to the top rope.
Je crois que quand je le fais s'élever,
Taking his time.
il lui met un spear.
Preparing to attack.
From the top.
Ah non,
Shot to the gut will break things up.
il me semble que dans les anciens, il mettait un spear en sautant de là-haut.
Could be. Still has a great amount of fight in them. Not going to let it end like this.
Just a step ahead of Owens.
He is trying to get up, but it is not going well.
Je sais.
Placed him in the corner here.
He's looking for some
Ah
sort
merde,
of
c'est pas ça que je voulais faire, moi.
Get out of the ring. He doesn't want to be
Mais
hung
bon.
up on the bottom rope like that.
Bouillon!
That's the kind of move that puts food on the table.
Calme-toi, KO, calme-toi. Et un, et deux.
And they're still in this. Kevin Owens just powering out.
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Exhibiting a crazy amount of strength here. This might just do it. This, a single leg
Ouais.
camel clutch and a great counter.
Bah oui, j'avais pas me laisser te laisser me sauter dessus comme ça non plus.
The tribal chief has it cinched in.
Cravats.
Ah, j'avais le nez qui me grattait, t'abuses.
He's able to get free from that submission hold.
Escape that in a hurry.
And the tribal chief being met with hostility there.
Je suis passé à travers.
What a true fighter.
Uh-oh. Stun Owens stun.
And Owens might just have this.
2 count. He kicks out somehow.
The
Je
head
m'en
of the
fous.
table almost went to the back of the line on that one. Roman
Moi j'ai encore un finisher qui peut lui faire mal.
Owens is livid right now. He thought for sure that was 3.
Quoi? Non!
Man, turned it into
C'était
a
préparé.
statement DDT.
You know what he's thinking, and it is not good.
Up high.
Misses big time.
Oh, with authority. And a stomp to the gut, too.
From the top.
N'empêche, Roman Reigns, il se bat en Jordan, les mecs.
Ooh. Oh. He's looking to take things to the outside now.
What a barrage of stomps.
Ah oui, donc, ah oui, j'allais dire, là, il y a carrément plus de côtes extérieures.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
Encore trop tôt.
And it's Reigns taking in another big hit.
I think Roman might be in some serious danger here.
Oh, he timed that counter well.
Up top here, facing a sea of people.
This is gonna hurt.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Counters with an elbow right into the face.
Non, j'ai donné l'occasion.
Making his way to the top here.
C'est bon.
Here we go.
Pardon?
Top. Roman's shoulders are down. Got
Mais je-
it. No,
oh,
just a 2. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
No one can. And Reigns is really fired up.
Ok, hein? On va se calmer un peu.
Oh, what a kick to the face.
On va se calmer, j'ai dit.
Just disrespectful.
Bringing this back into the ring. Oh, right to the throat.
Non mais oh.
Oh, look at a torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man.
Spear by Reigns.
Reigns put his stamp on this one. That might have done it. This could be it. 2. Yes, Roman Reigns with the victory. Here is your winner, the OT
Hey. Après la victoire éclatante de Roman Reigns sur Kevin Owens, les deux équipes sont à égalité. L'avenir de la WWE repose sur le résultat du match pour le titre Unity de Thibaut et Anéis contre Bayley et CM Punk. Pas de pression, Team WWE. C'est dans vos cordes. Pour moi, c'est la première chose à faire. C'est d'embaucher une nouvelle équipe pour gérer les réseaux sociaux. Je ne pensais pas qu'on devrait se salir les mains avec Bayley, mais on est là. Préparez-vous, il ne faudra rater ça pour rien au monde. Je pense que là, c'est pas vraiment le dernier combat, ce sera celui d'après, genre le vrai dernier.
It helped that it was finally a fair fight. Did you have to stop Mutiny from interfering?
Nope. I was in Gorilla the whole time and they never showed. You?
Your partner and I split up to cover the crowd and nobody came my way. Maybe they shot their shot with Asuka and Damage Control.
It's possible, but I bet Punk and Bailey have another trick or two up their sleeves.
That's what we're expecting. My partner and I have been through just about everything together. We've seen it all. And we're ready for whatever they throw at us.
Where is your partner?
I don't know. You haven't seen her since the last match?
No. Maybe that's why Mutiny never interfered. They were busy attacking her.
I'm going to find her.
You don't have time. You have to get to Gorilla for your match. This is our last chance to stop Mutiny.
You just go out there and win this thing.
Ouais, sauf que là, du coup, je vais me retrouver en 1 contre 2, là. J'espère que je vais pas me retrouver en 1 contre 3. Vu que là, le fait qu'elle disparaisse juste avant le match, c'est bizarre quand même. Vous trouvez pas? Je pense que là, ça peut être intéressant de voir les entrées. Donc, juste imaginez si elle nous trahit, Anaïs. Enfin, Anaïs ou la partenaire. Du coup. Donc là, du coup, moi perso, je suis tout seul. Donc, ouais, Bayley, d'accord.
It's Mutiny's controversial co-founder, Bayley.
Mais attends, mais elle vient toute seule ou...
Something to do with this turning into a handicap match. She's been trying to stack the deck against the WWE since Mutiny first started.
You're probably right, Byron, but Bayley has been known to get
Ah,
too
je le
full
sens
of
mal.
herself at times. Maybe that'll cause her to take her eye off the prize here
Genre,
tonight.
Genre, elle a l'air d'être très joyeuse, Bayley, quand même. Comme si elle avait une mauvaise nouvelle pour nous.
Bayley looks to see her mutant.
Ouais, CM Punk. S'il te plaît, pas avec Anis, pas avec Anis, pas avec Anis, s'il te plaît.
It's the man looking to cement Mutiny and his legacy here tonight.
Ouais, il a l'air d'être toute seule. Ah, je sens mal cette histoire, moi. Du coup, là, je me retrouve en 1 contre 2. Alors, bon... D'ailleurs, attendez, c'est c'est le premier mode carrière. Genre, il n'y a pas d'histoire d'aller chercher le mode... Enfin, le titre, genre, Undisputed ou poids lourd, tu vois. L'année dernière, c'était le titre Undisputed. L'année d'avant, je sais plus. Je crois que c'était pareil, le titre Undisputed.
What choice did he have, Corey? Forfeit? The entire future of the WWE is at stake, and his partner is missing in action.
The die has been cast and the bell is
Déjà,
rung,
quand il y a
gentlemen. It's all on that man's shoulders now.
des objectifs comme ça me fait peur.
And she's sent right into that corner.
Je me dis, c'est sûr, il y aura un coup fouet dans l'histoire.
Standing shooting star press, incredible. Quick attacks like that could be trouble for the champion if they want to leave here with the title. And Bayley's resolve might be wavering here.
Any chance for Bayley's offense is being trampled. Blast off.
Oh, an elbow drop.
Someone knows that if they want to hold gold at the end of the night, they have to pull out all the stops.
Got the tag.
Ah, je vois pas pourquoi ils ont enlevé ce truc-là, des paramètres. Avant, je suis persuadé que il était...
CM Punk doing what he can to halter the beatdown.
If Punk was looking for an opportunity to pull a 180, that could be it.
Swing neckbreaker.
And right into the pin.
Uh-oh. He is going to take this match as long and as far as he needs to.
Oh my goodness, what a double-handed chop.
Bah ça... Vous m'excuserez, mais bon, ça me trouble quand même. Hein.
Enziguri finds its mark.
Ooh, one step ahead there.
Imaginez, genre, vous vous préparez à faire un combat à 2 contre 2, vous vous retrouvez tout seul. À 2 contre 2, pardon.
Oh, the Enziguri.
Surtout qu'en face, c'est CM Punk et Bayley. Alors,
Being set up in the corner for something.
Oh, he cuts it off.
il n'y a pas du tout des problèmes de collision ou quoi.
Fist directly to the gut.
This is an absolute striking clinic. How are we going to end it?
Bang, a tiger feint kick.
Phenomenal forearm. The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Ah oui, mais il y a juste écrit attaquez-vous à lui. Pas forcément besoin qu'il soit là. Enfin,
Standing shooting star press.
You have solidified your... boom with a forearm.
voilà.
Throwing all caution to the wind and leaping to the
Réaliser un coup
outside.
de... Ah bon, bah là, ça va être un peu plus compliqué que prévu du coup.
Kick to the face.
From out of nowhere. RKO. That might have just sealed the deal on us having a new champ. Up and around, down with a tilt to
Ah, j'en profite un peu hein, pour la blesser.
Really being knocked around here.
S'il y a un coup fouet derrière, autant que je sois prêt.
Every opportunity.
Mais pourquoi ça l'envoie pas dans son coin?
Hammer to turn the tide.
STO.
Voilà, fait le tag, exactement.
Looking as locked in as ever. I think we know what's coming.
Hop là, merci.
Punk never saw that coming. Bam. Super kick.
Ouais, hein.
Boom.
Bon, toi, tu dégages.
And now Punk is being measured.
What a... This is it. The Civil War is over.
No, Bayley is not ready to give up on the rebellion.
And the referee's helpless since it's no disqualification.
Is that who I think it is?
We thought Mutiny had taken out half of our team.
They may have taken a shot, but this leader of Team WWE isn't going down that easily.
Bailey and Punk don't look so confident all of a sudden.
What they look is scared, Saxton.
Regardez la trahison qui arrive. Regardez la trahison qui arrive.
Team WWE has Mutiny on the ropes.
Et c'était sûr. C'était sûr.
What? What is happening?
I'll tell you what's happening. We're seeing yet another defection.
At the worst possible time. With everything these two have been through, I never thought I'd see this.
This is a shocking betrayal. It's a choice that can't be taken back.
Ben, j'ai commencé avec Thibaut, donc on l'a continué avec Thibaut.
Have so much history.
That's what Punk excels at, Saxton. Divisiveness.
You should have seen this coming.
You hear that?
Mais je l'ai vu venir. Je l'ai vu venir. Je vous l'avais dit en plus.
Come on, you made your point.
It's what Mutiny's done for months, beating WWE in the most humiliating way possible.
Go to sleep.
This is tough to watch. No,
Y a
don't
personne,
count
hein.
it. Come on.
The referee doesn't have a choice.
It's over.
Mutiny has prevailed.
C'est
And
dégueulasse.
WWE will never be the
C'est
same.
dégueulasse.
Is it even WWE anymore? I never thought I'd see this day come.
Is there anyone who somehow can reclaim the legacy of this company?
I think it might be too late.
There's nothing left to say here. This is disgusting.
Purée, je suis dégoûté.